Hey, this is Yogeshkumar Rathod, very few among the highest degrees achiever in the world. Welcome you all to my lecture on mechanical engineering. The father of mechanical engineering is James Watt. James Watt's period was from 1736 to 1819. He invented steam engines and brought industrial revolution. The subject of mechanical engineering is distributed over thermal engineering, production engineering, design engineering, industrial engineering. Thermal engineering is all about it is related to temperature, heat. Internal combustion engines, internal combustion engines are finding increasing application in industrial things from transport, irrigation to power generation. Few traits are necessary for internal combustion engine: maximum power, minimum fuel consumption, smoothness of operation, and minimum pollution. Fuel should have high calorific value. It should not produce pollution, etc. The engines in which combustion of fuel takes place inside the engine cylinder are termed as internal combustion engine. The pressure and temperature of IC engines are very high. The efficiency of IC engines are about 35 to 40%. There are mainly two types of internal combustion engines: spark ignition engines, which runs on petrol, gasoline, and compression ignition engine, which runs on diesel or diesel fuel. Spark ignition engines are having less compression ratio compared to diesel engines. So it is lighter and cheaper compared to diesel engines. Gasoline engines are light duty vehicles employed in motorcycle cars, etc. And diesel engines are employed in buses, trucks, horse moving machines, etc. Another subject of mechanical engineering is refrigeration and air conditioning. In refrigeration and air conditionings, four components are there: compressor, condenser, expansion, and evaporation. In air conditioning unit, Freon 22 is used, which is compressed in a compressor from lower to higher pressure and temperatures. It gets condensed in the condenser and throttle in the expansion device, which is of thermostatic expansion device, and then enclosed space which is to be temperature is to be controlled, and humidity and purity of air is to be taken care of. Whereas in refrigeration, Freon 12 is used to remove heat from the enclosed space, to cool the vegetables and other things kept in the refrigerators. In refrigerator unit, capillary tube is used as an expansion device. Thermodynamic test has to be conducted to satisfy the customer regarding the performance and satisfaction of the engine's parameters. In production engineering, production of components which are used in the various machines of mechanical types are, example, lathe machines, drilling machines, milling machines, etc. Various processes like forging operations and manufacturing of various components is to be done using various methods. Design engineering is also one of the You have to design a components, first angle projection, third angle projection. And regarding industrial engineering, various method used in industries is to be taken care of. This is 100% true. So please like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel is Tech Yogeshkumar and Education Yogeshkumar. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel Tech Yogeshkumar and Education Yogeshkumar. This is 100% true, which I am delivering. Heat transfer aspects has to be taken care of regarding conduction, convection, and radiation. There are three methods in which heat transfer takes place in mechanical engineering. Shaper machines, it is a reciprocating type of machine which cuts into forward directions. Drilling machine is also of important. Melting processes of making a pattern in a cope and drag system is to be done in manufacturing processes of mechanical engineering. Forging operation, universal milling machine is also there in alternate fuels in internal combustion engines is another aspect of designing intake system of conventional engine to use alternate fuel like LPG, CNG, hydrogen, biomass, biogas, etc. Calorific fuel is of importance. So it can be used in an existing engine. Here's what are another pollution aspects. Using catalytic converter in the exhaust systems of the engines is also another. I'll give you more information later. Thanking you.